I'm here with my Fuji X100F, my little baby. I'm in my hometown, the place where I was born, in Ohrid. The person taking the photo is my father, who's also a photographer. It's so windy here, I'm sorry for the sound. The lake is very beautiful, it's very big, it looks like sea. This is one of my favorite parts of the city. I like the door here. Here's the city museum. This is old architecture of the city, Ohrid architecture. Oh my gosh, this place is also photographed a lot. It's pity there are cars here. This is where we used to play basketball sometimes. Сега? Już malce. Już malce šo. This is a big church. It's the Cathedral of the city. Saint Sophia, it's very old. This is really nice place here. Veljanoski. Look at the cat sleeping. I woke her up. Some restaurant here. Yes. There's another kitty. This is the one that we wake up, maybe. She came here. Here, these things are for sitting, for concerts. Usually there are concerts. This is the stage in front of the church in the summer, Ohrid Summer Festival. Old car, Hugo. I'm gonna make a I love reflection shots, you know that. You can check my previous video, I had some reflection shots there. There's a cat, great. This is full of cats. Here's another one here. Thankfully she didn't jump on me. Oh, there is another Hugo. Be windy again. take a shot of my father. Here you can go to Caneo from the city. Always love this. There is nice image here. If I can catch the airplane from above, the airplane line that it's making in the sky. Somebody drew a graffiti on the stone. There's the church canal, the most photographed place in Ohrid. When all the tourists, when they come, they go here. I like how the boats are put here. Bridge. I'm gonna put an ND filter now. Exposure 9. Shutter speed, I'm gonna go 1000. There's another kitty. Here you can see the other side of the lake. I'm gonna go up to show you the place where they take the most photos, everyone. There's a lot of hiking here. It's a low town. It's on a hill. This is the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video.